Jai Jagannath. I want to show you all the beautiful Murti, the beautiful Jagannath that Jos Kalinga have sent to me. I'm very pleased to be serving Jagannath in this beautiful, beautiful form that Jos Kalinga sent. All the work is beautiful. I also order a Vesha or Shringar for Jagannath, and I must to say that it's really, really amazing work what they have been shipping to me. Totally 100% recommended. The customer service with them, as well as they are Jagannath devotees, is very, very nice, very sweet. Well, that is my testimony about this beautiful, smiley Jagannath. Jagannatha Swami Ki Jai.